Hi and welcome to the complete WordPress developer course. In this lesson, I will show you how you can add a featured image in your post, and I will also show you how you can add a normal image in your post. I will also show you the difference between the featured image and a normal image. So let's just open our favorite browser, which in my case is Safari, and go to this post button, click on post or all post, and you can say that you can add a new post by clicking on this button. You can edit this post by clicking on this edit button. You can quickly edit this by clicking on this quick button. You can move this post to trash by clicking on this button, and you can view this post by clicking on this button. Here is the author of your post, which in this case is admin. These are the category which are associated with this post, and these are the tag which we have entered when we were writing in this post. And this is the date, and this is the comment, because at this time there is no comment on this post, so this is a blank. Okay, so let's just click on edit, because we want to edit this and insert our image into this post. So let's just make some space, and there we go, and click on add media to insert a normal image in our post. So let us click on add media, click on upload files, click on select files, and select your image. I am going to select this Grace image for a normal image in our post. So let's just click on choose and click on insert into post, and you can see that you can also select the size of your image. I am going to select the full size. You can select medium, or you can select large, or you can select thumbnail, whatever, but for this time I am going to select full size. You can select whatever suits your requirement. You can also select the alignment of your image. So let's just say center. You can select based on your requirement, and everything looks fine. We don't want to insert any link, but you can insert any link by just selecting any one of these, but we don't want to do this, so we are going to select none, and then click on insert into post, and boom, we have our image into this post. And let's just insert a featured image to know the difference between a normal image and a featured image. So just scroll down, and here is the section of featured image. Click on set featured image, and then we are going to upload a new file. So let's just click on upload files, click on then click on select files, and select this image, this bluish WordPress image for the featured image. So click on choose, and then click on set featured image, and now just click on update to update this post. And then we are going to see the difference between a normal image and a featured image. So let's just click on view post, and here we are. This is the most common difference between a featured image and a normal image. A normal image can be inserted wherever you want, but it will always be there underneath this title, but a featured image will always be on the top of your title. So as this is on the top of your title, whereas this is where we have inserted below the title. And there is one more difference between a featured image and a normal image. A featured image will be featured on your blog page, on your blog page, and in your home page. If you have selected your home page as your blog page, don't worry, don't scream, don't rant at me, don't yell at me. I'm going to show you in the future, because it can overwhelm you right now. So let's just wait for that, because I want to serve the required information at the required time. So let's just finish this video, and in the next video I will show you how you can make a page on WordPress. So let's just finish this video, and I will see you there in the next